fine print. Is this, hold on, like we need to look into this. We could actually, this might be the Achilles heel we can get in through because they don't read. They definitely don't read the fine print, and they definitely don't read if it's something they think they're winning at. They are not checking the boxes, dotting I's and crossing T's. They just want to claim the win. This might be something we need to look into. Okay, talking about those law firms, right, that agreed to work with the Stench administration, remember, because they were illegally executive ordering and just targeting law firms, okay? Specifically firms that defended people they didn't like at the past or something like that. Oh, for the folks who are asking me if their fixation on Harvard has anything to do with Barham, it could, because yeah, this is the administration of personal vengeance, and we're spending taxpayer dollars for him to get revenge on everyone who doesn't, like, literally, like, just the web out. Did you defend someone he didn't like in court? He's coming for you too. Like, this is the only thing he remembers with perfect clarity. He doesn't remember if he reshared that photo 2 days ago, but he remembers that court case from 20 years ago where that firm defended the person he didn't like, and now he's ready to punish them, okay? Anyway, but in the agreements that they agreed to, I don't know if it's all of them or just a chunk of them, doesn't matter. Point is, they put it in the fine print, which White House did not read, that made it so that they maintain authority over which cases they want to take. So like some of the firms said, hey, we're only going to take cases pro bono if it's to defend veterans against something, or, you know, we're only taking on human rights issues, or we're only, so shit that, you know, the administration does not want them for. The administration tried to bully them into submission for free pro bono hours because they know they're doing a lot of illegal shit, and they wanted to force these attorneys to defend it for free so that they don't have to worry about it. And they got outsmarted by the lawyers, just like wrestling chick is going to get outsmarted by the school that makes lawyers. More of that excellence on display. Speaking of excellence on display, you saw that Petey has been making orders without White House knowledge, without Prophet Sundown approval. So that's about to implode a little bit, especially since he's crossing toes. And then, yeah, one small correction. I wanted to say the Iverson case, there was filing in D.C. So there is local jurisdiction as well as international interest. I wanted to clarify that, someone did put that in the comments. So, yeah, very interesting. And yes, multiple members of the junk drawer are named in that. So we'll see how that goes. But again, just another little line of gunpowder back to the dynamite cave. I'm just saying. Oh, man. But yeah, it's so funny to think that the actual lawyers running the government didn't read the fine print. They're the ones running the government, and they got outsmarted by the private lawyers because, well, if you work in corporate, you already know. The lawyers you pay by the hour are the good ones. The ones you put on payroll, they usually couldn't get into the good firm. The in-house lawyers couldn't get into the place where they could charge $500+ an hour. That's why they're on the in-house salary. Yeah, so you're starting to see the difference in quality. Okay, that's all.